Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, October 24th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin. This time we are looking at the Bitcoin to Euro on, of course, Zondacrypto. This is a daily time frame chart, Japanese candlesticks, and it's looking very, very nice. More of that. It's looking very, very bullish. Look at this yesterday candle. This candle clearly says that there was a dip towards the level of 60,856, and eventually the market managed to close at the level of 62,023 euro, and it's ready to move higher. Why did we even go lower? Well, the reason for that is the momentum, because the momentum, as you can see on a daily time frame chart, which is very important time frame, hit the level of 80 and even 70 and even little bit more, like 72 points, which is of course the extremely overbought level. So from this low to this high we have made, let me just take a look how much we've made during this this movement. So we got this last swing low and the last swing high. Oh, that's the wrong tool. Let me just take a look here. Yes, we need the prices from this swing low to this swing high is almost 17%, and this is a little bit more than 9,223 euro. So that's very nice achievement. And if you take a look closer at this last swing up, you can see 5 waves to the upside. If you can't see it here, let me just make the line, and you can see that we have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. It might be a little bit different to see it on the candlestick chart. Wave 1, correction wave 2, big wave 3, correction wave 4, and eventually wave 5 and biggest correction. So right now we're done with the impulsive cycle. We have the pullback, or even this might be considered as the complete correction, right? So right now it's either wave A to the upside. Sorry, let me just make it this from the top, right? Because we know that there is a top for the wave 5. We have wave A, wave B, and wave C. So that's the first scenario. So we will see some kind of a movement to the downside, or the whole ABC is completed right now already. So this movement to the downside is the whole ABC, and now we're ready to move higher. So that's the situation here with the scenarios. And now technical resistance, because we need some on our chart. Why? Because the bulls are in chart, so we need to know what is the nearest target. And the nearest target, the nearest technical resistance, is the swing high from, this is July, I guess, yes, the end of the July 2024, 64,758, and that's the next target. If it's violated, then we have a new local swing high, and that's a first step to redefine the uptrend again. Because let me just zoom out again a little bit more. If we break above this swing high, then of course the next target is like 66,145. But the point is that we have a local swing high, right? So that's a very important, because we have the swing high, higher high, maybe, just maybe next time, higher high, higher high. So that's the definition of the developing up trend. So this is the situation on the Bitcoin to Euro. You know now what to do. We either completed the correction, or this is the wave A, B, C of the whole corrective cycle. We shouldn't go lower than the level of, or let me just it slipped to the different level, to the level of 59,651. So this is the technical support. So maybe ABC goes here, and then the market will be ready to resume the uptrend. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.